Mouth-watering, delicious, very appetizing. The bakery sells mouth-watering cakes. The aroma of mouth-watering food filled the air. Sugar-free, containing no sugar. This sugar-free juice tastes great. She bought sugar-free gum for the trip. Gluten-free, not containing gluten. The cafe has gluten-free bread options. Gluten-free pasta is ideal for those with allergies. Low fat, containing a small amount of fat. She made a low-fat version of the recipe. Low-fat yogurt is a great breakfast option. Full-bodied, rich and strong in flavor or aroma. The coffee has a full-bodied flavor. I prefer a full-bodied red wine. Spicy hot, very spicy with noticeable heat. He ordered a spicy hot curry for dinner. The spicy hot salsa was perfect with chips. Farm fresh, fresh and directly from the farm. They served farm fresh eggs for breakfast. I love farm fresh produce for its taste. Home cooked, made at home, not store bought. The party had delicious home cooked meals. Nothing beats a home cooked dinner. Oven baked, cooked in an oven. The oven baked pizza had a crispy crust. Oven baked potatoes are healthier than fried ones. Hand picked, selected by hand, carefully chosen. The hand picked strawberries were juicy. The tea is made from hand picked leaves. Sun dried, dried naturally using sunlight. Sun dried tomatoes add depth to pasta dishes. They served sun dried fruits as snacks. Lightly salted, containing a small amount of salt. Lightly salted nuts are a healthy snack. She prefers lightly salted chips. 5-star, of very high quality, excellent. The chef prepared a 5-star meal. They stayed at a 5-star hotel during the trip. Quick frozen, frozen very quickly to preserve freshness. The quick frozen peas taste just as fresh. This fish is quick frozen to ensure quality. Richly flavored, having a strong and full flavor. The richly flavored soup was the highlight of the meal. The chocolate cake is richly flavored and decadent. Ready-made, prepared in advance, requiring no further cooking. Ready-made salads are convenient for lunch. She bought a ready-made meal for dinner. All natural, made without artificial ingredients. This juice is made from all natural ingredients. They prefer to buy all natural peanut butter. Deep fried, cooked by frying in a lot of oil. Deep fried chicken wings are a popular dish. I try to avoid deep fried foods for health reasons. Slow cooked. Cooked slowly over a long time. The slow cooked stew was rich in flavor. Slow cooked meat is always tender and juicy. Well done. Thoroughly cooked, especially meat. He prepares his steak well done. The well done burger was still juicy. Overcooked. Cooked too much, often resulting in a loss of texture or flavor. The vegetables were overcooked and mushy. The overcooked pasta lacked texture. Undercooked, not cooked enough. The chicken was undercooked and unsafe to eat. The undercooked vegetables were still crunchy. Cream filled, containing cream inside. The bakery sells delicious cream-filled pastries. The cream-filled donuts were a hit at the party. Bite-sized, small enough to fit in the mouth in one bite. The appetizers were served as bite-sized pieces. These bite-sized snacks are perfect for kids. Layered rich, having multiple layers and rich flavor. The layered rich lasagna was full of cheese and sauce. The cake had a layered rich texture and taste. Frosted sweet, covered in frosting and sweet. The frosted sweet cupcakes looked beautiful. Kids love frosted sweet treats like these cookies. Wood fire, cooked using a wood burning oven or fire. The restaurant serves wood-fired pizzas. The wood-fired bread had a unique smoky flavor. Honey glazed, covered in a honey-based glaze. They served honey-glazed carrots as a side dish. The honey-glazed ham was the centerpiece of the meal. Charcoal grilled, cooked on a charcoal grill. The restaurant specializes in charcoal grilled meats. The charcoal grilled vegetables had a delicious smoky taste. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.